welcome back to another Panda Roblox video, and today we're racing at Monza. And I know it's raining. For a fact, I know it's raining. What? I swear it was raining just now. Yeah, I knew it. It was raining. How is it soft recommended? It's literally raining. It's like a massive downpour. Oh, now it's raining enough. It's raining. Yeah, how is soft still recommended? Softs are very recommended for 20% rain. No. I cannot do this. The rain is too much. And plus the track's already It was very slippy when I was using softs and it was sunny. I was like racing earlier before I started making the videos today. But no, it was slippier than this. The rain made it less slippy, which is actually good news. How is soft recommended in this weather? This is very good weather to race some soft tires. Yeah, DRS got disabled. Straight line mode got literally disabled. And we do donuts. Oh no, please. No, let me at least get onto the track. Let's go. We got mission accomplished. Arrived on track. No, anyway, let's go. It's literally showing that it's raining so much. How are softs recommended? I can't even control my car on inters. Yeah, I'm switching to wets 100%. My front wings also lost. So it'll be like a win-win where we get wet tires, which is actually supposed to be recommended, but I don't know why. And I'm also not using ERS because we will spin out and then end up in the wall like a Beyblade. We'll spin like a Beyblade, and yeah, like that. Yeah, that's a good That's a good example. This dude's having the same issues as me, having to do burnouts in the middle of the track. Oh wait, the pit lane entry is right over here. How is it wet? How? Nah. I'm going for wet. That was a good stop. But our pit crew is unfortunately, our team boss did not see the Ferrari pit crew kidnap the EX Alton pit crew. So that's a little sad. We got 23,000 this time. That's interesting. Oh no! We lost our front wing right after we came out of pit lane. It's 71% rain. If it's showing, nah, I think something happened with the coding in this game. Something had to have happened while coding this. Because how do you mess up that bad? I mean, I can literally see it's 77%. And you're literally recommending us to drive in softs. That makes very much sense. And that's our beauty. That's absolute perfection. Simply lovely. Let's go. We have 5 more minutes of rain. But why am I going on the Why am I going for the... what if we do Alton? I like Alton. I think they're basically hands. Oh, now they're recommending us wet. I mean, that's actually understandable. They're recommending us wets It's like a massive rain. After the rain ended. Once it becomes like 0% rain, then I'll end the video. If it like stops raining but it's still showing like a random percentage, then we'll end the video. And then we'll not end the video, I meant. And oh, it's gotten lower a little. Not a rear wing. Wait, I think one of our tires got destroyed. Yeah, there's still 5 minutes of rain left. And 5 minutes of me crashing. Absolutely, simply lovely. Yeah, it's still wet. Wait, why am I using battery in pit lane? Yeah, there we go. I don't know how we're not slipping with these kinds of conditions. But it went down like 1% earlier. I remember it was 81%. No. Right, I don't think you should be giving out penalties for drivers going a little wide during rain. You should actually reward them for only going a little wide. Faster. Brakes. Oh! Oh, nah, we destroyed this car. We destroyed the car. We destroyed the car. The mechanics are not gonna be happy after that one. Yeah, still wet. 79%, that's not a lot. That's a lot. 78, well, we're actually losing some rain. It's still raining, it's still a massive, it's still a massacre. Let's go. And brakes. Oh, that was barely a corner cut. That second one was a massive corner cut. Anyway, straight line is actually activated. Straight line mode. I don't know why they still have the DRS boards. Like, they should find like a way to remove the DRS board from down. We're going fast. Up, it's gonna be a little harder. But brake. They're only asking us. That car is very The car is very slidey. No. Oh wait, which way were we supposed to go again? Oh my goodness, I hate him. I hate that guy. Oh no, everybody's sliding everywhere. Oh, let's go. We did not lose destroyed the car. Straight line mode is activated. We actually got 26,000 this time. It's because of the rain. I think they're giving extra, but that was actually too wide, very wide. No! No! I destroyed the car! No! Isaac Hadjar. That's Isaac Hadjar. Hadjar. Isaac once said that. Anyways, I'm not going on softs. That is actually a massive self-sabotage. You switched it right when I went for, literally right when I went to wets. You switched it to inters. Simply lovely. Let me go faster. Let's go. We're on a drying track. I'm gonna switch for wets. I'm in hards after. I think it's gonna be like 30 or something. Once it shows 0. Mate, this track I just cannot do good at. How do I go up a gear? No. Yes. No. 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 Luckily I had my front wing already damaged. Oh wait, I think they stole something from us. There's some debris over there. That's very rude of them. Okay, this is what the driver is seeing. Just doing burnouts. Yeah, I cannot do this. At least we have more grip on here. I think we can start using here. I don't know why it yeah, I can just never get this corner right. That's why all of my laps at Monza have been invalidated. And this is why I destroyed the car. Yeah, I think it's over. Yeah. Anyways, if you like to see more of these kinds of videos and don't destroy the car, and then please make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, bye.